Hi everyone and welcome back to Technical Tuesday. This week we're going to talk about how to determine if that encapsulated spray foamed attic is actually doing its job. Spray foam is just like any other building product. You can make mistakes while installing it. Fortunately, with a blower door and some other tools, you can determine if that encapsulated attic is indeed airtight. With the blower door installed and pressurizing the house, we can use a smoke emitter at the attic hatch door to see if that smoke is being pushed into the attic space. If that attic hatch is in a separate room like we see here, we can see this smoke getting pushed under the doorway, which shows that there's some leaks going on in this room. In this case, it is indeed the unsealed attic hatch that has a leaky spray foam attic on the other side. Here we can see the smoke getting pushed into the attic space, which tells us that there are quite a few leaks going on in that attic. And to reinforce this, we can see while doing some zonal pressure tests that attic space is attached to the outside quite a bit. To take things a step further, we can take this power tiny smoke emitter. This is like the Tiny S handheld fog machine we have, but a lot larger. It's still battery powered, but emits a lot more smoke. And we can fill this attic space with smoke using this tool. If you're gonna do this, just be sure to let the fire department know, so that way nobody calls the fire department thinking that the house is on fire. Because if the house is very leaky, that smoke will be visible from the outside. So here we can see whoever installed the spray foam in this attic did not get down close to the edge of the roof. We can see it here seeping out of the edge. And as we can see here, it looks like this is happening all the way around the house, causing this attic space to be quite leaky. So this will lead to all kinds of comfort and humidity and indoor air quality issues. I'd like to give a big thank you to my buddy John Esquivel. He owns and operates Austin Star Services in Austin, Texas. John's one of those rock star HVAC contractors that understands looking at the importance of the building envelope and the HVAC system. He understands not only the importance of it, but how to determine if a comfort or indoor air quality issue is coming from the HVAC system, the house itself, or a mixture of the two. So Johnny, thanks for sending this footage over and thanks for all the work that you do. Thank you guys for watching Technical Tuesdays this week, and catch us back here again next week.